looking to embark on the ultimate solo travel adventure. Join us as we unravel the secrets to creating an unforgettable journey with our comprehensive Solo Traveler's Guide. In this video, we take you on a captivating exploration through breathtaking destinations, providing you with essential tips and tricks to make the most out of your experience. Unleash your wanderlust as we delve into the joys and challenges of traveling alone. Discover how to plan your itinerary effectively, ensuring you hit all the must-see spots while allowing for spontaneous adventures along the way. We'll share valuable insights on budgeting, accommodation options, and transportation, empowering you to navigate your chosen destination with ease. Our expert advice doesn't stop there. Gain a deeper understanding of cultural etiquette and immerse yourself in the local customs as we guide you on how to connect with the people and places you encounter. We'll also delve into the art of solo exploration, providing safety tips and tricks to ensure your journey remains worry-free. Unlock the secrets to creating lifelong memories as a solo traveler, capturing awe-inspiring moments through photography and storytelling. Discover the power of journaling your experiences, enabling you to reflect on your personal growth and treasure your adventure-filled memories for years to come. Join us on this exhilarating solo travel guide as we inspire you to embrace the freedom, self-discovery, and empowerment that comes with venturing into the unknown. Unleash your wanderlust and embark on an incredible journey that will leave an indelible mark on your soul. So, are you ready to embark on the solo travel adventure of a lifetime? Get ready to make memories that will last a lifetime. Watch now and let our guide take you on a transformative journey like no other. We will show you how to unleash your wanderlust and create lifelong memories. So, let's get started. First things first, always be prepared. Research your destination, make a checklist, and pack your essentials. From a sturdy backpack to comfortable shoes, be ready for any adventure that comes your way. Next, immerse yourself in the local culture. Experience the taste, sounds, and traditions. Try the local cuisine, interact with the locals, and participate in cultural activities. You'll truly feel like a part of the community. Now, let's talk about safety. While solo travel can be exciting, it's important to stay safe. Trust your instincts, avoid dark and unfamiliar places, and keep your belongings secure. Also, make sure to inform your loved ones of your itinerary and stay connected with them throughout your journey. Don't forget to step out of your comfort zone. Take risks and try new things. Whether it's bungee jumping, learning a new language, or indulging in extreme sports, embrace every opportunity for excitement and personal growth. One of the best things about solo travel is the freedom to explore at your own pace. Take your time and savor each moment. Whether it's strolling through vibrant markets, hiking breathtaking trails, or relaxing on pristine beaches, make the most of every experience. Lastly, document your journey. Capture the breathtaking landscapes, the friendly faces, and the unforgettable moments. Whether it's through stunning photographs, heartfelt journal entries, or captivating videos, preserve these memories to cherish for a lifetime. Remember, being a solo traveler is about self-discovery, independence, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So, unleash your wanderlust and embark on the journey of a lifetime. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this guide and want more travel tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Safe travels and may your adventures always be unforgettable.